In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix WhatsApp connecting problem on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can literally do it on any iPhone you have, it doesn't matter. Now, if you get a WhatsApp connecting problem, that could be very annoying, so there's a few different fixes you could go ahead and do. Firstly, if you have WhatsApp open, all you want to do is swipe upwards on it, and then you want to swipe it away from your app selector. Now you can try and open it again and see if that works. What you can also do is swipe down on the top right of your screen and you're going to see your control panel. Go ahead and turn on airplane mode. Wait about 5 seconds for everything to fully refresh and then turn it off. And then just let your Wi-Fi reconnect. If that still doesn't work, try and go from your Wi-Fi and try and go to your mobile data instead and turn off your Wi-Fi to see if that works as well. And if that still doesn't work, then the final method I'd recommend is going over to settings, then going over to general, then iPhone storage, and then go ahead and locate WhatsApp. You want to make sure it's WhatsApp, not WhatsApp incorporated, but just WhatsApp, just on its own. Go ahead and click on it, and then you want to press offload app. This is going to free up storage used by the app and clear cache, but then just reinstall it again, and your data is still going to be there and everything, and then you should be fine. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.